Hello mga Frenny! May i-unbox ako ngayon. Finally, dumating yung order ko. Supposed to be, ito yung Valentine ko talaga. Kaso, hindi siya dumating ng February 14. So, I already post my husband's gift. Flower, usually it's flower, card, and jewelry, and watch, and yellow flower. Pero, ito talaga yung gusto kong gift sa sarili ko. Finally, unboxing natin. Yan. Ito yung gusto ko talaga sa Valentine's. My favorite shoes. Nabudol na naman ako. Ito guys. Nakakatangkad talaga ito. Parang 7 inches ang nadagdag sa height mo. So, ang ganda. Sana may ibang color to kasi gusto ko bumili ng black or something pink. But, I don't know. I will check. And next is yung makeup na, makeup bag for yung lagyan ng mga makeup. So, magta-travel kasi ako very soon. So, gusto ko organize yung mga makeup ko. Ayan. Ang ganda. Marami siyang mapaglagyan ng mga makeup. Nabudol na naman ako. So, kaya bumili ako. Sana meron pa ito available na black kasi gusto ko black. Pero okay na to. Next is ito naman yung wallet or passport holder. But actually, this is very important to me because when I travel, it's very organized. See, it says passport. See, magta-travel kasi ako very soon. Lagyan ng passport dito at saka my credit card, ID, driver license, or etc. You can put that. A lot of stuff you can put this. So, I'm so happy. Actually, this is matched perfectly of my makeup bag and passport holder. Next is, meron din akong favorite na lipstick. Look at that. So, that one is different color. So I love. I think I have 6 of them. So this is lipstick. Super nice. Next is itong open natin. Sana ba yung scissor ko? So ang dami ko talagang last week din nag-shopping din ako. So ano ba yan? Bakit ang hirap i-open? Ito ay maganda din ito. Ayan. Ito naman ay yung makeup, yung highlighter. Maganda din itong highlighter nila. Sandali lang. Ito naman guys is highlighter, different color of highlighter. I love highlighter. I always wearing the highlighter. Look at that. So beautiful. So beautiful. Tada! I love it. Next naman is meron tayong brush. Ang daming brush. Ito, 20 pieces. I love this brush. Too soft, you know? It's too soft. Hindi na natin i-open kasi alam naman ng marami na ito ay blush for blush or something. Next naman ay itong napaka-cute na ano ba yon? Lipstick ata to. Pero maganda siya guys kasi sobrang cute. Para siyang bag. Yan. At saka pwede mo siyang lagyan ng chain. Ito. Pwede mo siyang i-shoulder bag. Ang ganda talaga to guys. Ano mo lang to siya, ikabit dito para na siyang shoulder bag. At saka Ang ano naman dito guys is lipstick lipstick to. Yan, ang ganda. Iwan ko paano to i-open pero I can figure out later on. See, mga lipsticks to siya, mga lipstick. See? Ito lipstick. Iwan ko ba paano to i-open. Pero lipstick to siya. Ito, mga lipstick. See? Lipsticks to siya, mga lipstick. Ang ganda ng mga lipstick na to. At ito naman, i-attach mo lang tong chain at saka meron na kang parang mini shoulder. Ang ganda. Ang ganda ng kulay ng lipstick na to. At ito naman ay ang favorito ko na glam. Ito. Favorito ko talaga siyang liquid blush on. Ilagay mo lang siya dito. See? Tada! Tada! Oh, ang ganda! So nice! Wow! So nice talaga. Yeah. I love it. I always shop in this store because it's not really expensive. And the last, oh no, I have also 2 lipstick. That's my favorite color, which is tada! That one. I love this color. That one. I love that color. And actually, I have a lot of lipsticks already in the house, but for some reason, I love lipsticks. I think I have 300 pieces already. Some of them I already throw away. I love this color. Actually, I have this before, but I'm already out. So, that's why I reorder again. See? Super beautiful. I love. No, I have, this is for what we call that, you can put your social security or any kind of credit card, because this is a thick one, a protector. This is cheap, it's only $5, and you can have 6 pieces, or yeah, thing I got. And this is all my shopping. I love it. This is all my shopping. Okay, that's it. Say ya, bye. Meron pa pala ako ipakita siya na isang box na hindi ko na-open. Ito yung cream na ginagamit ko kasi ang ganda sa mukha. Na wala ka talagang, siya, big help when you have starting of wrinkle. So this is a very good smell. I like it. And that's why I don't have a fine line yet. See? Tada! Super nice. Ang good smell. I love the smell. Super nice. Especially today is very cold or winter here. So, this is a big help. Very big help. So far, this is all my package. But my favorite one is tada! This is 7-inch shoes or nakakatangkad talaga ng height. Okay guys, thank you. Bye. That's my all Valentine's gift. So far I ordered this time. And I have upcoming more gift, but I don't know when they receive. And I order some other store. See ya. Now I know how to open this. You just push like that, and this is lipstick. Tada! But she just look like a, what we call that, you just push after you use, and look alike a mini shoulder bag. Diba ang ganda? Ganda niya talaga. Yan, ito na lahat yung mga makeup ko na sa loob. I'm very happy. They arrive very fast delivery. Love it so much. See you next time. Bye.